Guys, welcome to my channel Shree Sisters. In this video, we're going to see how to find anti-log value using the logarithm table. In previous video, we have seen how to find logarithm value from the logarithm table. If you are interested, please to check it out. The link will be in the description box below. So without further ado, let's start about the anti-log table. So first, I'll tell about the table. The anti-log table is also divided into three sections. So the first column is the column you will see for the first two digits. I will tell you in the later part of the video. And this 0 to 9 is like the third digit of the number we are going to find. And mean difference will be like the fourth digit of the number you have to find. Like the row, the first column is very important because with that only you will find the other two numbers. So this is what is anti-logarithm table. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to find anti-logarithm with the example. So let's get started. The first example I'm going to take is 2.6235. So what is anti-logarithm? In the sense they'll give you the value of logarithm and this is the value of the logarithm of some number and they're asking you to find that question. That is only anti-log. But in the logarithm, as we saw yesterday, they give you the number and they ask us to find the logarithm of that number. This is the opposite of it. So as you all know, this is the characteristic and this is the mantissa. This is, everyone knows this. For a logarithm, this is the two parts of the logarithm. So as usual, the first thing you have to see is the mantissa part. In the mantissa, you have to consider the first two digits just like the logarithm table, and this will be your row. And the third digit will be your column for checking. So let's see what we'll get. So the first two digits is the row. So 62 will be our row. So the 62 number is in here. So 62 for the number, second digit is 2. So for the 2 you have to see 62 and 2. We'll get 4188. So 4188 we got for the row 62 and column 3. And now the fourth digit of the mantissa part is 5. Now we should find the mean difference for this one. Mean difference. So for same, the row will not change. The row will be the same 62 row and the mean difference column should be 5. So the 62 row and column mean difference 5. We will get same 5 as the answer. So we should add that value to this one. The first row and column to the mean difference we will be adding 5. So 4188 plus 5, we will get the answer as 4193. So this will be like, this is the answer we need to get. Now not like logarithms, we can't find characteristics separately because we already have the characteristic here. From the characteristic only we will be able to find this characteristic of this particular number. How to find that? So now if the characteristic is 2, we know that the number is between 10 power 2 and 10 power 3. As we saw in the previous video, you see that the least power of the number which is in between, that only will be taken as a characteristic part. So we know that the number is between 2, the power 10 power 2 and 10 power 3. Now what is 10 power? 10 power 2 is 100 and 10 power 3 is 1000. So we know that this particular characteristic for this number is in 10 power 2 and 10 power 3, which is between 100 and 1000. Now for this number, what we have got after adding, we have to see like the possible number, like after putting a decimal point somewhere in between here, we have to see whether the number will lie between 100 and 1000. Like if I keep like a decimal point here, 4.193, the number, we have to see whether this 4.193 lies between 100 and 1000, then that will be our answer. Simple and easy. So we know that 4.193 is not between this 100 and 1000, so this is not our answer. 41.93 is also not between 100 and 1000. This is also not possible. So 419.3, it is possible because 419.3 is between 100 and 1000. You might ask a doubt like how can we decide with the decimal point, but this is the only possible way. If we keep after like decimal point here like 4193 point something, it won't be possible because it will be like greater than 1000. So this is the only possible way. So that is the only answer. For every number there will be only one possible way. So the answer for this one is 419.3 because we have to, the characteristic part is this and the mantissa part is this. Like it doesn't have characteristic in mantissa because it's a question itself. So this is what how you have to find the anti-logarithm using the anti-log table. Next, I'll give you the type of question they might ask, like a different type. So now the different type of question they might ask is, they gave the log values 4 bar, 4, 5, 6, 1. So 4 bar, like in the previous video we saw that bar will come for like the numbers which have 0.00 something, 0.000 dash 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 something. So this you leave it. Like what you have to do is generally find like the normal anti-log thing for 4, 5, 6, 1. So what you have to do, first 2 digits you have to see the row and the third digit column, and this one is mean difference, and we have to add them both. So let's do that. So for 45, this number 45, we'll get the column is 6, so 45 and 6. We get 2858 for 45 and 6. 2858. And now we should add the mean difference 1. So if you see in the logarithm table for 45 and 1, you got 1 as a number, so 1. So 2858 plus 1, 2859. So 2859 will be like your number. But now how to put, like how can you put the decimal point, because here 4 bar is given. As you have seen, as I have said before also, bar in the sense 0.00 here. And as you have said in the next video, this 4 represents a place when a significant digit will come after the decimal point. In significant digits except 0, any other number like 1, 2, 3. So here in the answer part, in the log question part, we got that 2859 as the answer. So what we have to do is, we should make sure 2 will come in the 4th place after decimal point. Then we'll get our answer for this question, the anti-log for this question. How we can do is that 0.0002859 will be the answer, because here 2 is coming in the 4th place. That is what means that it's 4 bar. So this is because it's coming in the 4th place only, the characteristic is 4 bar. So this is how you have to find for this kind of question. And this is all about anti-logarithm, guys. And I hope you found it easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.